All right, so for the graphing of inequalities, you need to remember that we need to dash or solid draw in the line, and then we also need to shade. Okay, that's the difference between inequalities and equations. So graph the solution set to each inequality. So first thing is, let's convert this to slope-intercept form. So if I subtract x from both sides, and then divide by 2, so I get 2y is greater than negative x minus 4, and divide everything by 2. So I get y is greater than negative 1/2 x minus 2. So that's my first equation. So start at a negative 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. This has no equal to symbol underneath. So therefore, it's going to have a dashed line. Okay, and then we are going to shade at the end, all right? For the second equation, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3x from both sides. Then I have y is less than or equal to negative 3x plus 3. Since y is isolated, I don't have to do an additional step. Start at a positive 3. Down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1. They happen to intersect, but that doesn't matter because I'm looking for shaded regions of overlap for inequalities. Here, if I look at my inequality symbol, it has an equal to symbol underneath, so it's going to be a solid line. And so now I'm looking for shading. In this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different regions that I could shade. I am only going to shade one of those regions. So I want to be greater, so this is greater than the purple line. Greater than the purple line. If I go to the purple line, 1 and 4, so section number 1 and 4 are greater than the purple line. If I look at the green line is less than. So less than the green line. I go to the green line, go to my y-axis. That's these two sections of 3 and 4. So this is less, 3 and 4. Which of those sections has both both numbers or both sections? Number 4. So I'm going to shade region number 4, which is right here. It is the area that is less than the green, but more than the purple. And that's the overlapping region. Okay? In letter B, y greater than negative 1. Remember, y equals is a horizontal line. So I'm going to go to negative 1 on the y-axis, and I'm going to draw in a horizontal line that is dashed. Okay, so I'm going to dash it. Then for the other equation, I don't have to convert it, so I am going to draw in a positive 2, positive 3, 1, 2, 3, over 1, or down 3, left 1. It does have an equal to symbol underneath, so it's going to be a solid. Oops. Okay, and so now I am looking for, I have 4 regions, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It doesn't matter how you label them. The point is, this is greater, so I want to shade bigger than the purple line. So that is section 1 and 2. So these two sections are above that purple line. And then the pink line is less, so I need to be below the pink line. So that's section 1 and 4 are the two sections that are below, 1 and 4. And so 1 is the overlap in both of those. So this is my answer right here, is this region. Okay, so that's how you would graph the solution set to the inequality. Sorry, I was yelling at my kid. All right, I'll go over the last section in the next video.